on the track, so you know it's lit.
Hey everyone, back with a video. It's your girl Queen Hair by Tam, Amazing You Collection. Today's video, I'm showing you guys how I create my crochet wig units. All the materials that I'm using will be down in the description bar. And as always, I use my crochet wig cap, a crochet needle, and the hair that I'm using is the Free Twist color 1B deep twist, 22 inches. I'm gonna use about 2 packs of this hair. So in this video, I'm going to speed up a little bit. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to crochet. If not, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube, or you can just check out one of my videos that I've already posted. So you guys, also on this unit, I'm going to ventilate just a little bit of the front of that band as requested from one of my clients. So if this is something that you are interested in seeing, just keep watching.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. And that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. And that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. And that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. 'Cause everything turned to nothing so easily. And now you ain't there, it's so clear to see. Like, why will you act?
Okay, you guys, I've already started ventilating the hair onto the band, as you can see. And I'm just going in the upward motion. So I'm going to start at the bottom and then I work my way to the top. I don't have like a particular order that I ventilate in. I'm just trying to fill in the hair onto the band just to cover it. And I'm just using your standard ventilate needle. I think I ordered that needle off of Amazon or eBay. It's been so long ago, you guys, so I can't really remember. But I'm just going to ventilate the small pieces of the hair onto the band. So keep watching. Okay, you guys, so at this point, I'm really finished. I'm just going back through and trimming the ends a little bit, trying to get some of those straggly parts off of the unit. My client, she still wants the length of it. She did not want it full. I could have used 3 packs of hair, but I only used 2 as she requested. So as you can see, this unit was very easy to do. And for those who don't know how to ventilate, I will do another video if you would like me to, show you how I ventilate. And I actually can do a ventilate on some lace to make it even more easier to see, because I didn't really show a close-up. So as you can see, I'm just adding more mousse to it to bring those curls back in. And you can also just retwist it and the curls will come back. So if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, leave me a comment down below if you want to see me create another style. I will have more videos to come. And I appreciate you guys for watching. And oh, thank you for all my new subscribers. I am very grateful and thankful for you guys for joining my little Amazing You collection family. So as you can see, she's finished and she looks pretty good. And with this unit, you can wear it back. You don't necessarily need a headband. And once you put it on, it looks like the hair will come from your scalp. So that's the reason why I like ventilating that band in the front.
You don't know what I thought that was.
What you thought it was? What you thought it was?
You know how the it's the way they were putting the thing on the salad, not salad, you know, sandwich. I thought you was doing that.